Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add sky replacement in DaVinci Resolve. This is a powerful technique that allows you to completely transform the look and mood of your footage by swapping out dull or overexposed skies with more dramatic alternatives. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open your DaVinci Resolve application on your computer. Once you've got your project loaded and your clip ready in the timeline, direct your attention to the bottom of the interface. Here you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on the one labeled Color. This will switch you into DaVinci Resolve's color grading workspace, where all the magic happens for adjusting and enhancing your footage. Now that you're in the color workspace, look over to the Builder tool panel. You'll see an eyedrop icon, which is used to open the qualifier. Go ahead and click on it. The qualifier is essential for isolating specific parts of your image based on color, luminance, or other attributes. In this case, we'll be using it to select the sky. Next, click on the 3D icon within the qualifier to open the 3D keyer. This tool gives you precise control over selecting colors in three-dimensional color space, making it incredibly effective for isolating skies. Once it's open, draw a line directly across the sky area in your clip. This action tells DaVinci Resolve which color range you want to select and isolate. You should see the sky become highlighted or masked, indicating it's been selected. With your sky now isolated, shift your focus to the top right corner of the screen and click on Effects. This will open up the Effects library where you can access a wide range of tools and plugins. In the search bar, type in Sky Replacement and hit Enter. Once it appears in the results, drag the sky replacement effect directly onto your nodes panel. This is where you'll build the structure for applying the effect to your isolated sky. Now here's a crucial step. You need to connect Node 1's blue rectangle output to the sky replacement's blue triangle input. This establishes the link between your original footage and the effect, ensuring the sky replacement is applied correctly to the selected area. Once that connection is made, head over to the settings panel for the sky replacement effect. You'll see several options here. First, check the box labeled Artificial Sky, then adjust the opacity slider all the way up to 1. This ensures the new sky is fully visible and replaces the original completely. Next, check the box for Artificial Clouds and again set the opacity to 1. This adds realistic cloud elements to your new sky, giving it depth and natural variation. From here, you can fine-tune the appearance by adjusting the cloud scale and shape sliders until you achieve a look that fits naturally with the rest of your footage. Play around with these settings to match the mood and lighting of your scene. And that's it. You've successfully added a sky replacement in DaVinci Resolve, giving your footage a completely new atmosphere. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.